please speak English. Can you speak English
Okay.
about the waterfall?
The waterfall is like coming towards us really fast, and at first we are just gonna think like, oh, it's really fun, and
Okay.
it looks fine, but when we play for real, it's not really. It's not really fun though, but
Okay.
when I play a bit longer, it's like a bit funner.
Okay.
And there is like the waterfall too, but it's more dangerous than this because it's like too fast for us to play. But for me, it's kind of hard, but not really because I tried like 2 times.
Okay.
And my brother is now climbing the rock.
Is your father, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, what the
Waterfall,
Look.
please come on.
Why you take a photo?
Because I want to show all the picture, especially the waterfall that you play. So happy.
Waterfall is so beautiful.
Okay.
Every play is so funny. And the waterfall it has a rock. It's so big.
Okay.
I play so funny.
Okay.
Thank you everyone. And please give
Okay.
us a like
Thank
and
you.
subscribe.
Thank you.